Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to see 20 lines on unity. Unity means staying together and working as one. It brings people closer and helps build strong relationships. Unity is important in families, schools, and societies. When people are united, they can solve big problems easily. The saying, unity is strength, shows its great value. Unity teaches us to care for and respect each other. In school, students achieve more when they work in unity. In sports, teams win by staying united and supporting each other. Unity creates peace and harmony in the community. A united country is stronger and more successful. This unity leads to fights, failures, and misunderstandings. Unity helps us accept different ideas and cultures. It brings love, friendship, and cooperation among people. Leaders always try to keep people united for a common goal. Unity at home keeps families happy and strong. We must never fight over religion, language, or region. Respecting differences is a part of being united. Unity gives us confidence and courage to face challenges. Every great movement or change starts with unity. So always remember, together we are strong. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.